If your Spatial Wallpaper 3D wallpaper is not working on iOS 26, then don't worry. This is a common issue, especially after updates or when certain settings are disabled. So let's get started. First of all, make sure your iPhone supports the Spatial Wallpaper. Spatial wallpapers only work on iPhone with Face ID, example iPhone 12 and later, and some Pro Motion enabled models. iPhone SE and some older iPhones do not support it. So make sure to check the compatibility first of all. And once done so, simply restart your iPhone. Press and hold volume up plus side button and you will get to see slide to power off option available on your screen. Then simply slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds and power on again. A simple restart can fix temporary lock screen animation bugs. After that, all you have to do is tap on the settings from your home screen again, and once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the software update and make sure to download and install the available updates in there. Sometimes it is a software glitch, so if you update your software, then it may fix the issues easily. Then go back to the settings general again, scroll and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then all you have to do is tap on the reset and tap on the reset all settings. So basically, if none of these work, then simply contact Apple support if the issue keeps persisting. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.